Hi guys, welcome back to another Arduino tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the microphone sensor with Arduino and how connected to Arduino, and I'm going to show you the simple application for this microphone sensor. There are two approaches to connect this sensor to Arduino. One is with digital signal and the other one is with analog signal. I'm using the analog signal because I think is more, you can change the sensitivity of the sensor with the analog signal, but with the digital signal pretty much you don't have any choice to change this sensitivity. Okay, as you see in the diagram, there are three legs here. The first one on the this sensor is for the voltage. I'm connecting to the 5 volt, and the middle one is the ground, and the third one is the output pin. And I already connect the wire to as I showed in the diagram to the microphone sensor. Okay, and then I have the LED set up here. I connected to the pin number 8, the positive leg of the LED to pin number 8, and the other one to the ground. Okay, but about this application, I'm going to show you the small program here again. Here I assigned the analog pin 0 for my sensor, for my microphone sensor, and I assigned the pin number 8, the LED to the pin number 8, and then I have a variable of 0 here. I assign it. I show you that's for the reading the analog signal, and also I set up the serial monitor and then set the pin mode as output for the LED light, and then in the loop function I'm reading the analog signal from the microphone, which is from the 0 to 1023. If it's the equal to the 1023, I keep my LED off, but as soon as is less than 1020, which is I put the sensitivity is very high. As soon as the microphone hear a small noise or something, they react and turn on the LED lights and wait for 2 seconds. You can put the buzzer as a, I don't know, the security sensor or something like that. And let's run this program and you see how it works. I connect the USB cable here. On. As you see, the LED light stay for 2 seconds on. 1. Yeah, this is very sensitive. As you see, as soon as I talk and the LED lights go on, and here the lights on there is a small LED on the sensor too. You see when I talk, it starts blinking and sense all the frequency from your voice or any noise. Here I'm gonna tap on my table and you will see the LED light. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. That helps me a lot to keep going with my tutorial, and hopefully see you guys soon with another tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.